Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you an amazing tool many of you don't know existed to promote your Zazzle products and Society 6 products through social media like Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook professionally. This amazing tool is niftytool.com, niftytool.com. Here you will find Nifty Tool, home of the best Zazzle and Society 6 promotion tools, okay? And here just you'll find this statement, Zazzlers, that stands for designers who are working on Zazzle.com. And here we can go to this one, submit your store, your Zazzle store. You want to promote your products. So click over that, submit your store. And now we head to this page. Just insert your referral ID, your Zazzle account associate ID. So how to get this ID? Just to go to Zazzle.com, okay, and go to your profile picture and my account, and go to associates, as you see, or affiliate program. And of course I have talked about how to be affiliate of Zazzle.com. You'll find this video below in the first comment, and you will find your associate ID, okay, as you see. So copy that and back to our page of Nifty Tool and paste it here. Perfect. And here is store to submit. And your Zazzle account could contain more than one store, so you have to put here the store name you want to promote your products from. So we can go back to Zazzle.com, okay, and here we can go my stores, and for today I will use this store name, okay. So go back to our Nifty Tool and type here Raymond, as you see, okay. And now finalize your submission. Click over this button and now follow this link to Nifty promo control panel. Click over here. Perfect. And step 1, store or collection. Here is the store, Raymond SSS, or you can just pick out one of your collections. So if we click over that, go to its collections, the collection of this store, you'll find here your collection. So we can select one of them like this one, okay. Thus you have to copy this link of your collection, copy, and back to your Nifty Tool, okay. And here you have to insert your link here instead of this store name, okay. Perfect. So we can move on with this store, okay, the whole store, Raymond SS. Perfect. Here you will find your ID, associate ID, okay. And here you will find your designs and your products in your store. As you see, these products you want to promote to social media. As I said before, this tool is specific for Zazzle only and Society 6 as well, okay. How many to request or pull from Zazzle? Here you can choose how many products, so we can select 5, 10, 20 and so on. So we can select 10, okay. Perfect. So let's move on to the next step. Choose your type of promotion. So click over this button, okay. And now you have many options to promote your products, your Zazzle products, to social media. The first one, you have to select this one, share individual products with speed sharers. So click over that, okay. Just click over this one, all-in-one speed sharer. As you see, you will find your products in the preview page, okay. The next product, this mug, the next one is this pillow, and this one is a face mask. So you'll find down here some social media icons, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. So you can promote these products immediately to those platforms, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. Just you can click over this social media, okay, and you will find your product will be posted directly to your account. So if we click over this icon Pinterest, if we promote this face mask, as you see. Okay. Of course, all details of this product like description, title, and so on. Okay, so the first way to promote your products through niftytool.com is speed sharer. Okay, and the next option, go back to NiftyTool. Okay, and here we'll find this one, pin products to Pinterest with auto pinners. It's specific for Pinterest to promote your Zazzle products. So click over that. Okay, and first we have to copy this link of your products you want to promote to Pinterest to make an auto pinning. Okay, just to copy and just to go to this button 6 to 20 auto pinner, click over that. And first we have to complete these details like Pinterest board you want to promote your products in, like home for example. Okay, and here we have to paste the link we have copied, paste, load, and here we'll find your products to make an auto pinning, okay, to Pinterest account as you see. Perfect. As you see here, 5 products. So the first feed is for this board and for this link, and here you can delay minutes, make some intervals between the pin and another. Okay, between 3 minutes, okay, 4 minutes, and so on. Long delay after each 20 pins, like 1 hour. Okay, and just start auto pinning session as you see, and click over this button or this one. Okay, and you will find your products auto promoted to your Pinterest account according to your post that you have selected. Thus now you have known 2 ways to promote your Zazzle products through NiftyTool, either by using speed sharer or by using auto pinner feature. Therefore you can save more time while promoting your Zazzle products on Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. And for sure the same process is applied for Society 6, as in this example, rugs. Here you'll find your products as you see, so you can promote them on Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook by auto pinners option or speed sharer feature. Okay, and of course if you want to know how to promote your Zazzle products professionally on Pinterest and Instagram, you'll find these videos below in the first comment. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.